All right, so we're looking at our directions. We don't have to figure out our size of our forest. This whole piece of paper, orange, is your forest. We're gonna toss 3 deer, because it says distribute 3 deer in the forest. So you just kind of gently stick them there, and then it says toss 1 gray wolf card in an effort to catch a deer. Okay, I tossed my gray wolf card. It did not land on top of any of the deer, so it didn't catch any. It would have had to do something like this. So then we're going to complete our data table for generation 1. So we had 1 wolf. We didn't catch any deer, so that's 0. Our wolf starved. By the way, it needs 3 deer to not starve. We don't have any wolves surviving. And the deer offspring, for every deer you have on the table, you double it. So I'm going to have 3 offspring, which means our number of deer remaining at the end of this round is 6. So for round 2, because I need to get up to 6 remaining, I'm going to throw 3 more on. So I've got 6 deer on. Now I'm going to throw a wolf on again. And I didn't catch anything. So generation 2, I'm going to have 1 wolf present, 0 deer caught, 1 wolf starved, 0 wolves surviving. And now I've got 6 deer here, so I'm going to have 6 deer offspring. And 6 times 2 is 12, so I'm going to have 12 deer remaining. On round 3, I'm going to put 6 more deer, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm starting out with 1 wolf, so now I'm going to figure out if I catch anything. Oh, I caught 2 deer. So I caught 2 deer, but I need 3 to survive. So I still starved, didn't survive. But if we had 12, I caught 2, that means we have 10 left. So that means there's 10 deer offspring and 20 deer remaining. So your numbers might be different from what I have. But if we look here again, eventually the deer population increases to a level that allows the wolf to catch 3 deer in a single toss. If the wolf catches 3 deer, it not only survives, but it reproduces 2. It has 1 baby wolf for each of the 3 deer that it catches. Therefore, if it catches 6 deer, it will have 2 babies. Wolves are not allowed to cheat, but they should try to be efficient. Stupid wolves result in an overabundance of deer. As the number of wolves increases, throw each wolf card once for each wolf. Record the number of deer caught by each wolf. The simulation is more realistic if the number of new baby wolves is based on each wolf's catch rather than merely the total number of deer caught in the generation. So that means that if I had, let's say, I had a deer catch these 3, or these 4, and I had this deer catch these 2. I caught 6 deer, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but this one has 1 baby and made it. This one didn't have enough to eat, so it died. So on your sheet, you're going to record the total, but keep track so you can remember who died and who lives and who has babies and who doesn't. So remember, you're going to do through 16 generations. 17 through 25, you're going to predict. So stop at 16. But you're going to keep doing this. Remember, deer offspring is always doubling the number of deer you have on, or is always the number of deer you have on your forest. Deer remaining is always double.